Hello, my name is Arabella Dahali. I'm the Content Assistant for Blockchain Live. I'm joined by Birgitte Andersen here at the Big Innovation Centre. Welcome. So if you'd like to just tell us a little bit about who you are and what you do with the Big Innovation Centre, that would be great.
Hello, my name is Birgitte Andersen and I'm the CEO of the Big Innovation Centre. And the Big Innovation Centre is an open innovation do tank. So we work with industry and government or government agents to raise the innovative capabilities. So whether these are the innovative capabilities in relationship to the industrial strategy, or the implementation of the industrial strategy, or the innovative capabilities of companies or of economic regions, then we do it all because we are working with them to build the innovation ecosystem. And to do this, we have many different types of programs and projects that are all related to building task forces to solve certain challenges and problems.
Amazing. And could you tell us a little bit about how people can get involved with the work that you're doing?
Okay, so the best way there is to get involved in some of our task forces. and these task forces are great because of this is about building the ecosystem that develop the innovation ecosystem. Clearly a major thing in blockchain and artificial intelligence and other disruptive technologies of the digital revolution is really that no one can transform the business model or implement government policy alone, because it requires the innovation ecosystem, because we all become interlinked. So we are running different task forces, organizations, and people can join up. So for example, we run the all-party parliamentary group on blockchain, which is one of our most interesting task forces. And there we are working with policymakers across House of Commons and House of Lords, respectively of political orientation, to enlighten the whole parliament together with industry stakeholders and expert academics and thought leaders and interest organizations to come together to solve the big challenges around blockchains or opportunities to say, whether it's about better and more effective supply chains, whether it's about more smarter contracts or smarter cities or smarter ways of living. We bring it all in and we are solving the problem of how we actually can build a better society and a better economy and a better well-being. So we do that on the all-party parliament with blockchain. We do the same thing on artificial intelligence with Parliament and all the stakeholders. And we have now a global group which we call the AI Global Governance Commission. And this is where we come together globally, global policymakers and global organizations, and of course also entrepreneurs and interest organizations, where we are prototyping what a future could look like with artificial intelligence or AI-enabled technologies as blockchain, VR, and other types of technologies. And we are putting together there a convention that actually looks at how we could deliver on this via fit-for-purpose policy regulation. And we of course have many other projects that's happening today where companies come into Big Innovation Centre and we are working with them and building the ecosystem around them to develop more effective supply chains or more effective ways in which they deliver their products and services.
Wow, amazing. And from your perspective, what is it about London which is important in the blockchain space?
In London, it's of course very important that London is the hub for blockchain in many ways. It is definitely the hub in which blockchain is possibly most talked about right now.
Yeah.
So blockchain life is clearly very important in that space.
Indeed.
But what is very important for London is that London it may not be the place where we're leading in technology blockchain, although we have these amazing blockchain companies here also located, but we are certainly leading in the implementation of blockchain because we have a huge mass, a global headquarters of the next generation services, finance, insurance, real estate services, and indeed also very innovative public services across all sectors. So this is very important, and also London is leading as usual in the governance on the uptake of new technologies and the governance on the policies in these areas. And it's very important that, of course, that London is maintaining this, so they have to stay on the front of this technological revolution which blockchain offer. But I see that that's something where London is doing very well right now, and is therefore the great place to come to discuss these elements.
Yeah, absolutely. And you mentioned Blockchain Live,
Yeah.
and as one of our speakers, what is it that you're most excited about to get involved with Blockchain Live?
Well, Blockchain Live, of course, is very interesting because you want to come and hear what everybody has to say,
Yeah.
and you benchmark yourself against everyone else,
Mm-hmm.
and benchmark all the companies and the services, the products, and the systems around blockchain. And as I said before, blockchain is not something that any one organization, one person can engage with. We have to do it together across the ecosystem. Personally, I'm very excited about giving a talk on blockchain, where we are looking into the tech giants and data capitalism, and I call it the new year of blockchain, because clearly blockchain is now the new thing, and it is transforming the way in which the consumers and the people are at the end of the supply chain. So it's also transforming lives, and it's not only about business to business. So I'm very excited about that. I'm also very excited about a workshop we're hosting on the AI Global Governance Commission, and there we'll engage everyone from, this is a global conference, we engage global people and global companies and global thought leaders in our work there. And of course also it's just an amazing place to spend some days and learn a lot of new things, and we will have our own stand there as well, and we hope to meet as many as possible there to engage with the community.
Oh, we'll be delighted to have you there. Thank you so much for taking time to speak to us today. And you can find out how to contact the Gite and the Big Innovation Centre below this video.